Hello, welcome to McBride Motorsports, where we talk about anything automotive. Today we are talking about this insane wide and wild Ford Mustang GT Velocity that hides a twin-turbo 5.2 liters Aluminator secret. The all-new, 7th generation S650 Ford Mustang might be every muscle car fan's dream and an environmentalist's nightmare, but at least there is one category of fans who do not care about the gas versus EV wars. The aftermarket enthusiasts who created this only had eyes for better, stanced wheels, powerful engine upgrades, wide-body aerodynamic kits, carbon fiber parts, and slammed atmosphere. But the S650 iteration is not yet for sale. We can only dream, and there is no need to take our word for granted. Instead, a great case in point for a slammed and wide-body 2024 Ford Mustang, in more of a JDM style, can be made here courtesy of Tim Lee, the automotive 3D artist better known as Tim ThesP on social media. The Pixel Master has finally caught the S650 fever and quickly embarked on an extreme aftermarket journey by way of his signature Velocity specification. As per tradition, the 2024 Ford Mustang is dressed up in CGI satin black, features a nice set of round LED lights down below, and also allows the author to express his CGI feelings according to the model sitting under the digital brush. And, as it turns out, the S650 Stang has conjured quite the extreme sentiment. Notice the stanced 5-spoke wheels, the crimson brake calipers, the slammed atmosphere, the ultra-wide-body aerodynamic kit, the new exhaust setup, as well as the humongous intercooler up front. And that would still only be half of the CGI story. This is because the Pixel Master also dreams up a carbon fiber hood to hide the tuning goodies, as the Mustang GT has dropped the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 lifestyle in favor of a monster swap that involves the arrival of a twin-turbo 5.2-liter Aluminator V8 secret under the teardrop hood. What are your thoughts on this design? Do you like it, or is it too much for you? We personally love the rendering, but it just is not our style. Although we do appreciate the artist's creativity and design, we would still stop and appreciate it in person.